If you drive a Silverado, chances are high that you're leaving money, performance, and hidden features on the table every single day. Most truck owners think that fixing common GM flaws or upgrading their rig means draining their bank account at a repair shop or buying expensive aftermarket gear. But the truth is, some of the best upgrades for your truck take less than an hour, cost under $50, and a few of them are already built into your dashboard for free. Today on Garage of Time, we're uncovering 10 genius Silverado hacks that dealerships never talk about, including a $0 shifter trick that completely changes how your V8 runs. Let's jump right into number 10. Hack number 10, the $10 block heater timer. Put your block heater on a $10 outdoor timer. If you live in a cold climate and you're plugging your block heater in the night before and letting it run for 8 to 10 hours straight, you are burning electricity and getting zero additional benefit. A typical Silverado block heater draws anywhere between 600 and 1,000 watts. Running that all night, 5 months a year, adds up fast on your electric bill. Here's the science. Your engine block only needs about 2 hours of preheat to reach optimal starting temperature. After that, the block hits thermal equilibrium, radiating heat into the cold air just as fast as the heater puts it in. Pick up a basic heavy-duty outdoor appliance timer for about $10. Set it to kick on exactly 2 hours before your morning commute. If you leave at 7 a.m., set it for 5 a.m. You get the exact same warm engine, instant cabin heat, zero cold start grinding noise, and roughly 80% less electricity used on your bill. Hack number 9, double your bed lighting for $60. Double your bed lighting with a second factory LED kit. The stock Silverado bed light setup is underwhelming. You get 1 or 2 small LEDs mounted near the front, and everything from the middle of the bed back to the tailgate sits in deep shadow. The factory LED bed light kits that GM sells as OEM accessories are completely plug and play. They wire directly into the existing bed light circuit with no splicing or cutting required. The hack is simply buying a second factory kit and mounting it on the opposite side of the bed or further back toward the tailgate area. Each kit costs roughly $60 through aftermarket GM parts channels, and installation takes barely 20 minutes with a basic socket set. The wiring connects right into the existing harness, so both kits light up together using the exact same cargo light button you already use. 2 kits give you full wall-to-wall coverage, making it effortless to find tools or straps in the dark. Hack number 8, 4-wheel drive auto in rain and snow. Use 4-wheel drive auto mode on the highway during rain, slush, and snow. The number of Silverado owners who leave their truck locked in 2-wheel drive during a snowstorm because they're afraid of binding their transfer case is staggering. The transfer case on most 4-wheel drive Silverado models features a 4-wheel drive auto setting specifically engineered for on-road use. Unlike traditional 4-high, 4-wheel drive auto keeps the truck in rear-wheel drive under normal conditions. The moment the computer detects rear-wheel slip, it electronically engages the front axle and sends torque forward. It does not bind or grind the transfer case on dry pavement. It does not hurt fuel economy in any noticeable way, and it eliminates dangerous drivetrain stress. Most importantly, if you hit an unexpected patch of black ice at 60 miles an hour, 4WD Auto engages instantly before you even realize you lost traction. Hack number 7. Flush fit running boards for rust protection. Install flush fit running boards for rocker panel protection. The 2 worst rust points on any Chevy Silverado are the rear cab corners and the lower rocker panels. Both areas rot out from the inside out because road salt, gravel, and moisture get flung off the front tires and blast directly into the unpainted sheet metal seams. Running boards that mount flush against the body act as a permanent physical shield. They block that high-velocity debris spray from ever touching the rocker panels in the first place. The critical keyword here is flush. Round tube-style Nerf bars leave a giant gap that allows salt spray to pass right through. You want a flat, wide-profile running board that sits tight against the lower rocker to keep your body panels rust-free for years longer. Hack number 6, the $5 differential insurance. Swap in a magnetic drain plug on your front and rear differentials. Many Silverado model years did not come with magnetic drain plugs from the factory. If yours didn't, you are missing out on the absolute cheapest insurance policy in truck maintenance. A heavy-duty magnetic drain plug costs about $5 and threads directly into the stock hole. Every time your differential gears spin, microscopic metal shavings break off into the gear oil. This is normal, but if those metal particles remain suspended in the fluid, they act like sandpaper against your bearing surfaces. When you pull a magnetic plug during a routine fluid change, you'll see a paste of fine gray metal sludge clinging to the magnet. You simply wipe it clean with a rag and thread it back in. Catching that metal debris extends the lifespan of your differential by years and gives you an early warning before a costly failure happens. Hack number 5, secret full-screen CarPlay unlock. Unlock full-screen Apple CarPlay on 2022 and newer Silverados for free. If you own a 2022 or newer Silverado with the 13.4-inch screen running Android Automotive OS 12, CarPlay gets squeezed into a smaller box with black sidebars filling the display. GM didn't give you a toggle switch to fix this, but you can unlock it using a hidden developer settings menu in under 2 minutes. Go to Settings greater than System greater than About. Tap the build number entry rapidly 7 times until developer mode turns on. Open the newly unlocked developer options menu inside System Settings. Scroll down to smallest width. Change the factory value to 1280 and restart the system. When the screen reboots, Apple CarPlay will expand across nearly the entire display, shrinking the GM sidebar. It costs $0, requires no dongles, and is completely reversible anytime. Hack number 4, $25 tailgate assist shock. Install a tailgate assist shock for $25. Every Silverado owner knows the loud, violent crash when an unassisted tailgate drops. You unlatch the handle, and that heavy steel tailgate slams down, shaking the whole truck. A tailgate assist shock is a single hydraulic gas strut that bolts onto the driver's side tailgate hinge using existing factory mounting holes. There is zero drilling required. Companies like DZ or Barricade sell these kits for $25 to $30. An installation takes roughly 10 minutes with a basic socket set. Once installed, you can unlatch your tailgate with one hand, let go, and walk away while the strut gently lowers the tailgate in a smooth, controlled motion every single time. Hack number 3, fluid film inside cab corners. Spray fluid film inside your cab corners and rocker panels before rust starts. Never use cheap rubberized undercoating in a spray can. Rubberized undercoatings dry out, crack, and trap salt water underneath, accelerating rust out of sight until the sheet metal collapses. Instead, use fluid film or a similar lanolin-based coating that never dries out. It creeps into metal seams, displaces moisture, and leaves a protective barrier. Silverado cab corners rot from the inside out because salt spray gets kicked up through access holes under the cab. Buy a $40 kit that includes a long, flexible extension wand. Snake the wand deep inside the factory drain holes at the bottom of the doors, rocker cavities, and rear cab corners, and spray thoroughly once a year before winter hits. A $40 can once a year prevents a $1,500 body shop bill later. Hack number 2, transmission pan with built-in drain plug. Swap to an aftermarket transmission pan with a built-in drain plug. GM omitted a simple drain plug on the transmission pan of most automatic Silverados. That means every time you want to service your fluid, you have to unbolt a heavy pan full of hot oil, creating a massive mess in your driveway. Because it's such a miserable job, millions of truck owners skip transmission fluid changes entirely, which is why so many 6-speed and 8-speed transmissions burn out early. The fix is a $50 aftermarket transmission pan that comes with a built-in magnetic drain plug. You install it once during a regular filter service. Every future fluid change takes 15 minutes flat. Unbolt the plug, drain into a pan, and refill through the dipstick tube. Clean, easy, and hassle-free. Hack number 1, free DFM and Auto Start-Stop disabler. Use L9 mode paired with tow/haul mode as a 100% free DFM and Auto Start-Stop disabler. This is the most valuable hack on this list, and it costs absolutely nothing. If you own a Silverado with dynamic fuel management or active fuel management, you know the headaches: cylinder dropping, hesitation on acceleration, anxiety about lifter failures, and the engine killing itself at every red light. Aftermarket electronic disabler chips cost $200 to $350. Here is what the dealership won't tell you. On 10-speed Silverados, shift your gear selector into manual/low mode, L, and select 9th gear, L9. Selecting L9 triggers an internal factory parameter that completely disables DFM cylinder deactivation. Your engine stays locked in full V8 mode 100% of the time, keeping oil pressure high across all lifters. Pair L9 mode with pressing the factory tow/haul button. This automatically disables the auto start-stop system permanently while driving and increases transmission line pressure for firmer, cleaner shifts. You don't need a trailer attached, and you don't need to spend $300 on disabler modules. You get full V8 power, zero engine shutoff at red lights, and maximum engine protection every day for free. Which of these hacks are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If this saved you time or money, drop a like, hit subscribe to Garage of Time, and I'll see you in the next one.